Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It is the W family back again with another video. Hi guys, I hope you're doing well because we're doing fine. Okay, as you can see, the sun is shining and the weather is so nice today. We can see that he's not wearing jeans or anything, he's wearing shorts. So, and I'm here, no jacket, but mama have because you know she's still small, so we can manage, okay? But yeah, anyways, you guys, so you don't throw this weather, good luck. Anyways, you guys, I hope you're all doing well. So welcome back to the vlog, and today we're actually going to do our monthly grocery. So we're going to buy some food stuff and all of that good things, you know, because the food is finishing in the house, so we need some food to keep in the house. So that's what we are going to do. So I catch you guys in a minute, okay? Come. Finally, we're back home now, and this is everything we got. We did not go to the African shop yet, and not from the woman I used to buy some Congolese food from either. So that one's gonna be another day. For today, we just went for the normal grocery. So I'm gonna show you quickly what we have here. Let me see. So we have some bread right here. Let me just put it here. So, and here we have some tea. This one is just some sweet things, biscuits, This one Rusine, I don't really know if that's the name in English as well. We have some taco chips. We have some lasagna sauce. We have some flour. This one is nutmeg. We have some corn. We have some tomatoes. This one is chili con carne sauce. Have some vegetable cubes. This one is sauce for tacos. And here we have some beef meat, more corn, and we have some tomatoes. This one is I don't really know, mustard, but yeah, so something to be making the food with. And then this one is for mikate. We have some more sauce. All of this. We have mayonnaise. And right here we have a bag of rice, a bag of onions. And here we have more of taco sauce. We have some juice for mama. This one is taco bread. More juice for mama. And then I have, this one is vanilla sugar for mikate. Garlic. Mama's juice. This one, I don't know the name in English, but you can see what it is. Then we have more taco sauce. This one is some celeries, tomatoes, more nutmeg, spring onion, red bell pepper, and this one is spinach. And then we got some honey here. So let's move right here. Here we have some chicken. So these are some chicken. 2 more tomatoes. We actually just got 4 because we still have. And then we have some oil. We still have oil. That's why we went to get the small one. And then more spinach. This one is deodorant. And then more chicken. This one is oat. Then we have some ketchup right here. And right here we have some drinks. This one is for mama. We have some milk. We have Fanta. This one is cider. And then we have sugar. So that is basically everything that we bought today. We still need to go to the African shop to buy some other African things like pepper, all these kind of things, egusi, some pondu, and all of that. But for today, this is what we got. Okay, you guys, finally I'm done storing everything. So now I'm gonna make some food. We already have food in the fridge which we're gonna eat, but you know I'm breastfeeding, so I need to eat my pondu. Okay, so I'm gonna make pondu, and I'm also gonna fry some chicken. So let me start the process. You guys can see I have my pondu here. So it's cassava leaves, and then I'll be putting fish inside of it. So this is typical a breastfeeding mom's pondu. It's gonna be, you know, mai. I don't know how to translate that one in English, but pondu and mai, okay? So yeah. I just finished boiling my fish, the Thompson, and I only boil it with water and a little salt. That's everything. And I'm just gonna remove all the bone from it and then use it for my pondu. Meanwhile, the chicken here is also boiling. So you guys, it's time for me to make my pondu, and this pondu is actually very simple. As I told you, it's most for breastfeeding moms, so it's actually very simple. So I just have one that I'm gonna put, and this water is the one that I boiled the fish with. So I'm just putting the pondu there, and then I have two original or normal Maggie cubes that I'm using, so I put two. And then here I have a mix of green things. It's the one my mom made for me. So I think inside here there is onions, there is spring onions, there is aubergine and many other stuff. So I'm just putting it as well. And then I'm gonna put some salt, not so much because I don't want it to be so salty. And then I have the fish here. I just boiled the fish and removed the bones, so I'm putting the fish. And the reason I'm using only one fish is because last time when I made it, I put two, but I did not really like the taste. It was like fish everywhere, so I'm going for only one. And then palm oil. So I'm not gonna put so much palm oil because if I put so much, it's not gonna be the way I want it, you know. So I'm just gonna put very small. Very, very little. I think that should be enough. So that is basically everything. So you guys, that is it. That's basically everything. So I have pondu, cassava leaves, I have red oil or palm oil, I have a fish, boiled fish, and then I have a mixture of onions, spring onions, aubergine, red, I think is green bell pepper, and more other stuff. So that's everything I have inside here, and of course the water. So yeah. So you guys can see I'm done with my pondu, cassava leaves, and it's still green. Mama, don't touch anything here. So this is actually very yummy. If you're breastfeeding, you can try this, okay? You can try this. Oh, baby girl is crying. Okay, Mama, you want some chicken? So I just fried some chicken here. I'm coming, Mama. Oh my goodness, this is my life. Oh yeah. Oh, let's go see baby. Come. Hi, babies. Hi, hi, hi. Why are you crying? Hmm? Hmm? Guys, this is my food. So this is my pondu. You guys can see how it's looking like, and you can see it's so watery because that's how you have to be if you're breastfeeding. And then I have fufu, I have turkey, and I also have some chicken, and of course I have some pili pili here. So this is my dinner, okay?